Skills. 5. Listen to the conversation between Mr. Long and his daughter Mai. Decide whether the following statements are true, T, or false, F.
What are you doing, Mai? It's so late. Why don't you go to bed?
I'm trying to finish my essay about the different cultures in the ASEAN countries. I'll have to submit it tomorrow. Can I ask you a couple of questions, Dad?
Yes, go ahead. Hope I can help.
Do you know the number of people in Southeast Asia who can speak English?
Quite a lot. The ASEAN region has the third largest number of English speakers, after the US and UK.
Really? So how many people speak English?
Around 50 million, I think. Mostly in the Philippines.
50 or 15?
50.
There are more and more people learning English, especially in Vietnam, so the number is probably growing. Do you know anything about the different cultures?
The ASEAN countries have rich and diverse cultures. There are many ethnic groups in the region.
What about Vietnam, Dad?
Well, we have more than 50 ethnic groups in our country, and each has its language, lifestyle, and culture.
I think I've got all the information I need for my essay. Thanks so much, Dad.
That's all right. Finish your essay and go to bed soon. I'm afraid you'll wake up late for school tomorrow morning.